So I finished building this set. It's a virtual reality goggles, similar to the Durovis Dive set that you can actually buy online. Just go to Durovis.com. It's about 60-70 bucks, something like that. Right now it's running, you can see, I'm running Quake 2 SBS, and you can see the headset. I'm gonna grab it and go up and down, and you can see that it turns. When I turn the headset, looks up, looks down, and you have your two glasses in there. And this is the system here. Basically the phone is strapped to the back, and I'm going to pull that off. This is what the game looks like. It's your left eye and your right eye, right? So, and then we have the video splitter, and this is all made from foam board, black foam board. And then we have our magnifying glasses in there, 6 times magnifying. On this one I'm using ski goggles for the strap and for comfort, but the next one I build is going to be without the ski goggles. But this one's pretty nice. You can run apps like Quake 2, of course, Tuscany Dive, Slender VR. There's tons of apps, tons of dive apps, that is. I use the Wiimote controller to control the game. You can use an app called wiimotecontroller to use for that. What else? You can also watch 3D SBS movies on YouTube in this set, and it works really great. And here are the instructions. The basic instructions, that is. I'll zoom in a bit on each one of those. And yeah, I'll show you somebody testing it out for me.
This is ridiculous. I've never seen anything like this before.
I'll have to get you to send me that video, right?
How come you didn't make a video of the inside? Can't you? I guess it doesn't do it justice, yeah.
Don't make it too big though, see? Well, I guess you can send no matter what.
Yeah, no problem.
Break it up. That's
Dancing around. He's a fairly quiet gamer.
Yeah. Until he flips on something. Super fucking white.
This is ridiculous. Holy crap. That makes me kind of dizzy.
Yeah.
After a
the
bit.
headphones gotta come on first, man.